16 is a most strongly supported question. Let's take a look at the stimulus and just figure out what's going on. Stress is a common cause of high blood pressure, and by calming their minds and thereby reducing stress, some people can lower their blood pressure. So you get two causal statements here. Stress is a cause of high blood pressure, and for some people, calming your minds, thereby reducing stress, right? Calming your mind is the directly responsible for reducing your stress. And by reducing your stress, you can lower your blood pressure for some people, right? So that's not, so, okay, let's just write this down. So calming your mind causes you to lower your stress, which then causes you to lower your blood pressure. Now, take heed that this is, when they say it's a common cause, it doesn't mean it's for everyone this is true, right? There's a difference between conditional statements and causation statements, right? If I say lightning causes fires, that's a true statement. Lightning causes fires. But that doesn't mean every instance of lightning results in fire. It doesn't mean every single instance of fire you can point to some lightning as the cause, right? That's just not what the statement says, right? It's a causal relationship. So stress is a common cause of high blood pressure, okay? That's where is this? Well, I suppose that's captured over here. Now, when you calm your mind, it causes you to reduce stress, right? When you calm your mind, it causes you to reduce stress. And for some people, it's true that, right, this reduction in stress, by the reduction in stress, you can lower your blood pressure. By the reduction in stress, it can cause your blood pressure to lower. Now, again, I just want to stress, it's not for everybody, right? They're very explicit in saying it's not for everybody, right? So, and most people can calm their minds in turn by engaging in exercise. Oh, okay. So exercise, right? Exercise can cause you to calm your minds. Now, this is for most people. This relationship is stated as a relationship for most people, right? This relationship is a relationship stated for some people, right? Here, it's not clear. I'm not really clear on this bit, whether it's for everybody or whether it's for some, right? By calming their minds and thereby reducing stress, right? By doing this, some people can lower their blood pressure. So I'm not really sure whether this is for everybody or what. So that's the ambiguity they're exploiting. This is why they're not calling it a must be true question. It's a most strongly supported question, right? The right answer choice, E, for at least some people, engaging in exercise can cause their stress levels to be reduced, right? They're just running this. If for most people, we know it's true, at least for some people, exercising will cause you to calm your mind because it's true for most people. Right, so now you just need to carry this one more, right? That's why saying it as weak as possible for at least some people, right? You just need one person for this relationship to be true in order for E to be true, in order for E to be supported, right? Now the rest of them just really have, just look at how terrible they are, right? A says for at least some people, having lower blood pressure, this thing over here has some tendency to cause their stress levels to be reduced. So they have the causation backwards, running backwards, right? That's not good. Most people with high blood pressure can lower their blood pressure by reducing stress, right? They said for some people, lowering stress can lower your blood pressure. Now they say, oh, because it's true for some people, it's true for most people. That's also not right. We learned this from our basic logic lesson. Some does not imply most, right? Just because you have a some statement, some cats are happy, doesn't mean most cats are happy. Not at all. Right? Most people who do not exercise regularly, we don't have any information on people who don't exercise regularly, right? Just because exercise is one way to sort of lower stress doesn't mean that if you don't exercise, you have high stress. I don't know. Everyone could be taking anti-stress medication, right, on Xanax or something. D says, engaging in stress can directly lower one's blood pressure. So this is where directly is where it goes wrong. Look at all the mediating factors exercise has to go through before it gets to lower blood pressure. All right, so directly is very, very bad.